बाय द वे, अगर ये चेहरा जाना पहचाना नहीं है तो मैं पूछ सकता हूं क्या आपसे कि कितने लोग बीइंग इंडियन देखते हैं? अरे अरे वाह, more of like half of the population. So I'm sure you know this, how I greet people. It's not just one hello, it's hello, 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 hello. So किस किस को पता है ये? So now repeat after me. Hello, 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 hello. ठीक. दिल्ली में बस इतनी जान. Hello, 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 hello. ठीक. कल आके करते हैं ये सब. हाय, माय नेम इज साहिल खट्टर एंड लोग मुझे सस्ता कटप्पा भी बुलाते हैं. कभी भी रोड पे जाके मुझसे पूछ लेते हैं तूने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा. मैं कहा यार ये क्या बात है, मैं भी दिल्ली स्टाइल में जवाब देता हूं. उसने मेरी बहन को छेड़ा है, उसने मोमो की प्लेट में चटनी कम डाली थी. बट राइट नाउ वी आर हियर to figure this technology out. This is a new innovation introduced by ASUS over here. Today, I, Sahil Khattar, will be your host and take you through all the moments that we are going to witness right now. I'm very excited and I would like to welcome you and be a part of this moment myself. First of all, a big round of applause for everybody who's made it to this event. दिल्ली की गर्मी देखी है? एड याद आ जाती है, चुपती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया. पाउडर कौन कौन लगा के है? मैं कहा फिगर कर लेते हैं. Asus is a pioneer when it comes to technology. They always have something up their sleeves which makes their products a little hatke and their shirts a little tight. मैं कहता बड़ा साइज ले लो, कहते नहीं, we want tricks up our sleeves. And I'm very sure this new superstar packs a similar punch. If pen is mightier than the sword, same goes for live feed over videos. Because it's instant gratification. That is why it has become a trend right now. आप लोग सब देखते होंगे कि हर कोई लाइव जा रहा है आजकल. Kids, youngsters, मतलब सहराबंदी लाइव, फेरे लाइव, बारात लाइव, विदाई लाइव, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं. प्राइवेट मैटर है यार. ये बाकी सब कुछ थोड़ी लाइव जाना है. And I did my research on the subject, so I know live streaming is the next big thing. But there are still challenges because it's a new trend. In fact, I went out on the street of Mumbai in this heat. Yes. पर खाक, मतलब डेडिकेशन देखो इस आदमी की. पर क्या खाक डेडिकेशन. उन्होंने मेरी शक्ल देखी और बोला सड़कों के लायक ही है तू, सड़कों में जाके पूछ. So look at this and see what people have to say about going live. कौन सी फीमेल सेलिब्रिटीज को तुम लाइव देखना चाहोगे?
आलिया भट्ट.
आलिया भट्ट.
यार वो तो हो गया ना.
फिर भी आलिया भट्ट, उससे कौन सी पटने वाली है?
Have you ever gone live from your social media accounts? Facebook, Instagram?
No, I have not.
हाँ, एक बार ही गया.
Yes, yes. Sometimes.
Never. Why should I?
Please tell her why she should go live.
You should show now. You're going to good places and all, wearing good clothes. See, point.
Last week, Justin Bieber concert.
Yeah. क्या किया भाई?
Facebook Live.
And how was it?
It was great, but the quality was not good.
Yeah. So how was it? Great.
I have tried it once, but I'm never going to do it again.
अरे क्या होगा?
No, because you know, I sound so weird whenever I do it, and my face, oh my god, it's just horrible. I'm never doing it again.
No,
Why?
because who's interested in seeing me live on Facebook?
Yeah. Huh.
I have gone once, but video quality is not good. Selfie, like my face looks big.
Actually, I haven't been live till now because currently I'm seeing many of the live videos on Facebook, which I'm not able to see because I'm not able to hear the proper ambience, the sound in the proper ambience.
Phones we are using, it depends, like, you know, you're not looking good, you're not sounding good, so it's like that thing.
Like horrible. It's not possible only. I mean, you are holding the phone right on your face. It doesn't come well.
Sometimes you feel ऐसा live subtitling होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
पहले आप.
कुछ नहीं ऐसे time pass.
Time pass.
My life, like the places where I'm traveling, my job, what I'm doing.
इंडिया के बाहर थाईलैंड गया था तो वहाँ गया था. फिर
मसाज लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट की.
नहीं
when I go live.
Naturally, you've gone live.
I sing. I sing.
Normally, I only go live to promote something that I'm a part of. It is painful for me because my fans are few and far between.
आपसे क्या क्या पूछते?
कहाँ है आजकल आती नहीं है ज़्यादा.
कहीं हवेली पे तो नहीं बुलाते? What all do they say? Can we just get a?
Creepy ones tell me to marry them.
And the nice
They're
ones?
male. It's not. It's still a crime in India. So.
And what do the nice ones say?
The nice ones usually ignore me. That's how I know they're nice.
What all live feeds have you seen?
थोड़े बहुत देखे हैं तो बस सेल्फी हो रही है पार्टीज में वो हो रहा है which is good.
खाना वाना दिखाते हैं, नए रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं, घूमते हैं, क्या पहना है, क्या पहनना चाहिए. Most of the time, whenever I see anybody live, they go live, they're looking at questions, people are asking questions and they're answering them.
आपने क्या क्या live देखा?
मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने किया है Instagram पे hi hello that's it.
Who's your favorite live goer?
First is you. And second is Prajakta Kohli.
Ah, she's nice.
She's very funny.
Any historical figure you'd like to see go live?
Probably Akbar, when he's cutting off the hands of his workers, that would be great. That was Shah Jahan. That does not go.
इसको कहते हैं अपनी कबर मुमताज के साथ ही खुद खोदना.
Obama, maybe.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Charlie Chaplin.
पर वो तो silent रहेगा. If you were to put out live videos,
I would just ask people why they are here looking at me and not anything else that's better out there.
I will dance on tatad tatad.
what's the worst thing that can happen when you go live?
जैसे अभी क्या हुआ था, एक आदमी सामने से चला गया, the other person said अरे अरे मत आओ, but still he was like I don't care man, I'm with you.
So for half an hour you're in front of your phone, you think it's going out there, but nothing actually went because there was no internet. Oh, mummy comment कर दे, looking cute beta.
So which Indian celebrity you would love to see going live?
अक्षय कुमार.
Karan Johar.
Oh my God.
We'll have good gossip. The Weeknd.
And what will you ask him?
Nothing, I'll just look at him. I just want to look at him.
Achha, how much money do you think these stars spend on going, like looking so ravishing?
हजारों में.
So per day I think it would be around 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. 10-15,000. A lot.
I don't think we can count that.
Now pretend you're live.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? बोलना आगे.
अरे live video.
First
introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ruthvi. And
Your friends.
oh, I'm Aditi, her best friend.
And I'm Ravija, her best friend too.
Hi, I'm Sai. I'm one of the groupies. It's your concert. Yeah!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
और मनवा तू तो बावरा है, मेरी नजर का सफर तुझ पे ही आके रुके, मेरी निगाहें है तेरी निगाहों पे, तुझे खबर क्या बेखबर.
Thank you very much, thank you very much.
Applause! Okay, so now we know live streaming has quite a lot of challenges. Audio can be distorted, visuals cannot be clear. मुंबई में तो हमने ये पूछा, अभी दिल्ली की बारी. दिल्ली का टेक ही अलग होता है. मुंबई का यहां से आता है तो दिल्ली का यहां से आता है. भाई क्या हो गया? Can I please have the mic? आ रहा हूं मैं, संभल के रहना. कौन? अक्कड़, बक्कड़, बम्बे. Interesting आदमी. Why not? Can I please ask you a question? नहीं? Can I please ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
जोर की तो बोलो. मुझे तो बता दो. क्या कह रहे हो?
Sure.
Okay. Have you ever done live streaming?
Yes.
क्या किया था आपने?
Last दैनिक जागरण वालों के लिए किया था मैंने लाइव.
जी. प्रमोशन नहीं कह रहा मैं, उसमें कंटेंट कह रहा हूँ क्या किया था.
कंटेंट लास्ट कौन सा मैंने आउटबॉक्सिंग किया था?
दीदी बताएंगी. लड़कियां खुश हो जाती ना, दिल्ली में कोई लड़का मतलब सामने से ही दीदी बोल रहा है.
एक्चुअली मैंने कभी फेसबुक लाइव नहीं किया है.
आपने कभी नहीं किया? क्यों नहीं किया?
कभी नहीं किया. कोई कभी ऐसा मौका नहीं आया जो मैं करूँ या मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट आए कभी करने. मैंने कभी नहीं किया सीरियसली.
चलो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आप बताइए, आपने कभी लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग किया है?
बहुत सारे किया है.
अरे ये आदमी मिला है भाई, ये आज इवेंट में 4 चांद लगाएंगे. 5वां ये. प्लीज क्या किया था आपने?
वो फैशन शोज में अमेजोन इंडिया में एंड couture वीक एंड डिफरेंट अदर इवेंट्स आल्सो इवन ड्यूरिंग सम मोबाइल लॉन्च एंड समथिंग.
तो आपने फैशन शोज लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट किए हैं ना?
या
उसमें सबसे ज्यादा क्या वर्स्ट चीजें होती हैं when something can go wrong? Dirty mind.
ऐसा अच्छा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं.
नहीं, पर कुछ तो गलत हुआ होगा.
हाँ, हो
इतना
सकता
कौन सा मतलब परफेक्ट?
अब वो जब गलत हुआ माल फंक्शन तब वो लाइव में नहीं था.
ओह शिट, था ही नहीं जब मेल फंक्शन हुआ. ये क्या बात है? अच्छा, व्हाट इज द फनीएस्ट लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग वीडियो एनीवन हैज सीन ओवर हियर? कोई हाथ ऊपर करेगा? अरे ये आदमी.
Being Indian live stream too.
ओ, क्या किया था हमने उसमें?
The one where you sat in the office and made some jokes and mathar happened.
We can't say it here.
Yeah.
But I get it.
Yeah, you get it.
Basically, it was a Being Indian live broadcast और हमने एक SNL kind of a sketch show put up किया था. और किस-किसने funny live streaming videos देखी हैं? पाजी, आपने देखी है कोई? नहीं. और कोई है भाई? किसी को कुछ फनी नहीं लगा लाइव में? ये कैसी लाइव है यार? चलो कोई नहीं, हम दिखा देंगे जब हम करेंगे. ऑब्वियसली ज़ेनफोन लाइव पे तो होगा ही होगा, इतना ज्यादा फनी. अच्छा, व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस दैट गोज बिहाइंड गोइंग लाइव? व्हाट ऑल कैन गो रॉन्ग? वो एकदम फ्रेंच पेंटर लग रहे हैं मुझे सर. ओमले du fromage. Bonjour, monsieur.
I have not gone live ever.
हाँ? But think from your head कि what are the challenges या सबसे ज्यादा गलत क्या हो सकता है when you go live?
You get no internet. That's the worst that can happen. Yeah.
तो जियो यूज करो. ऐसी क्या बात है? ओके, सो दीज आर द चैलेंजेस, बट आई होप कि आपकी एक अगली पेंटिंग एकदम बेस्ट सेलर रहे. नहीं लग नहीं रहे, देखना है प्लीज. फ्रेंच पेंटर जी के लिए तालियां प्लीज यार. इनका लुक ही बहुत कमाल है. आपका नाम सर?
आशीष.
ला, मैं सोचा कोई फ्रेंच होगा एकदम से ऐसा सा नाम लग रहा था कुछ, पर कोई नहीं. So these are the challenges that you have figured out कि लाइव में होते हैं. काफी सारी चीजें ऊपर नीचे होती हैं. Once one of my friends said कि यार, you know what Sahil, I'm going to go live and I'm going to propose my girlfriend. I mean, क्या ही गलत हो सकता है? And I was like, she can say no. क्या सोच रहे हैं भाई? इसीलिए सोच समझ के लाइव करने का, पर झाम फाड़ करने का. So ASUS, with their pioneering technology and eyes set on the latest trends, they're ready to take on the challenges and turn them into benchmarks. But let's hear about this from someone who will be able to give you a much better picture and idea. He could not be here today, but he has a special message for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Chang, Regional Head, South Asia and Country Manager.
This is our first event of the year, and we are very excited about it. Unfortunately, due to some personal reason, I have to go back to Taiwan urgently, so I cannot join this event. However, as you know, that ASUS continue to think that how we can provide the technology and good product that can fulfill the recent popular need of the consumers. As you probably noticed, recently it become more popular that people are using the phone to do the Facebook Live and also video shooting and sharing. So we start to think that not only the photo taking, how we can give a good solution for the Facebook live stream or different kind of live stream app or the video shooting and sharing. So here we would like to introduce you our latest ASUS Zenfone Live, the product who can help you to take a live stream beautiful. I would like to introduce my colleague Dinesh to give you more detail about this product. Thank you.
Let's welcome Mr. Dinesh Sharma.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to really heartily welcome you on behalf of ASUS. Thank you very much for being here on a hot Delhi afternoon. Really appreciate that. And it's my real pleasure to take you through the next product that we're going to be taking you through. So as you would know, and as you've seen in the various videos that we've seen out here, a lot of us want to now go live. A picture says 1,000 words, right? So we've been posting our selfies, our photographs on Facebook and other social media sites. But now, consumers and all of us want to go a step forward, or rather a leap forward. We want to actually share our live experiences, what's happening in the moment around us. It could be a funny situation, it could be a beautiful beach. At the end of the day, we all would love now to take our social sharing to the next level. So I am really happy to be introducing to you the first smartphone in the world which has live stream beautification technology that helps you go live beautifully, Zenfone Live. So let's understand, how did we actually bring this whole solution of Beauty Live technology for the consumer forward. So there are two aspects of it. One is the hardware aspect, and the second one is the software aspect. So first, I'm going to take you through the hardware aspect. So obviously, one of the key things that you want to do when you go live is actually take your selfie video. And to enable that, what we've done in this phone is that we've given you a 5-megapixel front camera. Now, this is just not a standard 5-megapixel front camera. The sensor of this camera has a pixel size of 1.4 micrometer, which is 25% more than a standard front camera's sensor. So, because of the larger pixel size, you've got greater light intensity being captured by the sensor, and therefore your video capturing as well as your photo capturing from the front camera is of amazing quality. The second important aspect is that it's a wide-angle camera with an 82-degree field of view. So it enables you to shoot yourself as well as the background extremely easily. You get a real wide angle to actually show yourself as well as the surrounding that you are in while you do your live videos. The other important thing is that we built in a soft LED flash. What this does is that it actually, captures your skin's real tone. I mean, the colors of your skin are more natural when you're actually taking live videos. So even when you've got less light, you can take videos which look very natural and nice. So that's about the front camera. The next aspect about this camera is that we use our Pixel Master 3.0 technology, which ensure that you've got 400% extra light sensitivity and noise reduction. So again, in low light conditions as well, your videos as well as photographs that you're taking with the front camera come out beautifully and nicely and clearly. Now, one part is actually, capturing your video while doing live streaming. The second part, as you would have also seen a lot of people fret about, is that their voice and the audio doesn't get transmitted properly. It doesn't get captured properly. It doesn't get transmitted properly. And that's one of the major hurdles while going live, which is that you won't sound that great, right, in your live stream. Therefore, what we've done in this is that we've given you an advanced dual MEMS, which is microelectrical system microphone, which actually helps you to get extremely good voice transfer while you're actually going live. So this again is an advanced hardware which captures your voice extremely well. It has a very high SNR ratio, signal to noise ratio. It cancels out the noise in the background and transmits your voice extremely clearly. So that's another important technology that we built into this product to help you live stream beautifully. Now let's come to the software. So this is the hardware part, and now let's come to the software part. On the software part, we've developed a new app. It's called the Beauty Live application. It's an integrated software, proprietary, customized by ASUS, which optimizes the live feed, and it allows you a host of options while doing your live feed. So I would like to actually, demonstrate this technology to you. A lot of you have seen our past products where we could take, we had a beautification mode in our selfies where you could take photographs with beautification mode adjustment. What we are doing with the Beauty Live app is we are taking it to the next level. We are actually allowing the consumer to set the beautification level while doing a live video feed. So that's the difference in technology that we are bringing through the software. And I would just like to make a short demonstration of that. Can I kindly have the phone, please, on the screen? Okay, so now you've got the display of the phone that I'm holding. Okay, as you see, I'll go to the Beauty Live app. Okay, now let's see at the 0 setting. You can see me closely. What is actually happening is that you can see my beard has grown a bit, during the day. Now, if I actually shift it to 5, and you can see it on the display itself, my skin is looking more smoothened. I'm looking like as if I have clean shaved right now, and I can further adjust it. So the beauty about this application is that depending upon how you find yourself looking naturally better, you can, while doing the live stream, adjust the beautification levels. So you don't need to worry about, oh, I need to be looking really perfect, great, I need to have makeup on. Everything is taken care of by the beautification app itself, and you would look at your best, sound at your best, while you're doing your live video stream. So that's the power of technology that we are bringing with this particular phone and this particular application. Thanks. Can we go back to the presentation? Yeah. Yeah. So that's about the Beauty Live application. Again, as you could see, I showed you in the selfie video mode how you can do beautification. You can also do beautification while you want to take your selfie pictures. So always when you're taking either pictures or photographs or videos with this phone, you will have very good, beautiful images being captured and also being shared with your loved ones, with your friends, with your fans on all your social media sites. The next important part is about the rear camera. Several applications on social media, like for example, Facebook, they also allow you to do a live stream with the rear camera. So you've got a mode in Facebook where you can actually switch from the front camera to the rear camera. So we've given you a great rear camera as well if you want to do live streaming using your rear camera. So we've got a 13 megapixel camera whose aperture is only f2.0. So you've got a wide aperture. The camera is extra light sensitive. Even in low light conditions, the camera would work very well in terms of capturing your videos as well as your pictures. It's got a 5-prism lens, and again, it's got an LED flash at the back as well. So you've got a dual LED flash, front and back LED flash in this particular phone. Apart from great videos that you can capture with this phone, we've also got an amazing audio experience built into this product. It's again a class-leading audio experience that you will get in this particular product, in this particular price segment that it's going to be launched in. So this phone comes with a smart amplifier technology and again a 5-magnet loudspeaker with metal voice coil. What this does is that this gives you an amazing sound experience on the external speaker of the phone where you can actually, you've got much louder sounds, distortion-free, and again, your lower frequencies, which give the bass effect, are also excellently produced in this particular speaker. I would request you to, when you see the phone in the demo zone, to try out the audio experience on this particular product. Now, going from the speaker, let's go to the headset. Again, here, we've given a technology of DTS Headphone X, which actually enables a 7.1 channel surround sound experience on the headset. And you've got, various modes which you can see on the audio wizard out here, like Pure, which could be a direct audio without any kind of digital optimization. And then you could go to, for example, Wide, which could give you a true surround sound, or Front, where you would feel like the speakers are in the front. So this kind of immersive audio experience with DTS-X is not there in any other product in this particular segment. And that's, again, a class-leading technology that we bring to you. Coming to the design of the product, again, the product is beautifully designed. It's got a 2.5D contoured glass, and the back of the phone is metallic sandblasted. It gives a very premium feel. And the beauty is that the product is only 120 grams light. So, I mean, it's amazing design. We will show you the product later when we unveil it. It's an amazing design to look at. We've got 3 exciting colors to match your style. We're introducing an elegant navy black, a rose pink, and a shimmer gold. So you've got 3 color options available in this product that we'll be launching. Again, coming to the display, it's a 5-inch IPS LCD panel display so that you've got wide-angle viewing. You've got HD resolution in this, so it gives you a PPI of almost 293, which is pretty good for this particular segment screen size, and it gives you absolutely crisp, clear images on the screen. And we've also got a blue light filter technology of ASUS, which you can actually start during, especially during nighttime, so that you've got less strain on your eyes when you go to sleep. Coming to the performance of the product, we've got a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor in this phone with 64-bit CPU, 1.4 gigahertz CPU speed. We've got 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, expandable to 120 GB by microSD card, and you've got also USB OTG support in this product. The battery is 2650 mAh, but is optimized to run with this particular product. You will get about 20 hours plus of 3G talk time on this phone with this kind of battery. Coming to the connectivity options, we've got Cat4 LTE, which allows you up to 150 Mbps downlink speed. It's voltage support right from the box. It's got a hybrid dual SIM slot, which you can use either for 2 SIMs or a microSD card as well. You've got GPS, AGPS, and GLONASS support, Wi-Fi support, and Bluetooth support. So all connectivity options built into the product to enable you to connect seamlessly to the internet and do your live streaming. Again, it comes with a class-leading Zen UI application, which is extremely intuitive user interface for the user. It comes with amazing amount of customization. You could customize your entire phone right to the point of adjusting your icon sizes, your font sizing, doing your own themes or downloading new themes in 1,000 different ways. You can actually individually customize your product with the Zen UI. Also, you've got a host of applications which are extremely consumer friendly. For example, you've got a Zen Care application built into the Zen UI, which allows you to diagnose your product if there is anything wrong with the hardware. It allows you to have a live chat with an ASUS service representative or find an ASUS service center seamlessly. So you've got all these options, built in beautifully with the Zen UI app. Coming to the power management of the product, we've got this, and battery life is extremely critical. We've got, again, a customized application from ASUS itself, which is called Mobile Manager. What Mobile Manager allows you to do is, first of all, it's got some intelligent power-saving modes. Like you could go to a super saving mode. You could also keep the phone to a super high performance mode. So depending on these extremes, you can select 5 modes. You could also decide automatic switches, to which mode you want, either by way of time or by way of certain other conveniences. You've got a one-tap instant system optimization button given out there, which you click on, and it will optimize all the background apps which are running, and it will guide you step by step on what all optimization you could select to actually enhance your battery life as well as retain the performance of the product. Super boost and cleanup. And again, in the Mobile Manager, we've got facility for consumers to actually select which apps should start up on their own and which apps should not be allowed to start up on their own. This saves your battery and also your data. Also, it has a notifications manager, which allows you to select by app what notifications should be allowed and which apps notifications should not be allowed. So it gives you an enhanced battery optimization, RAM usage optimization capability built in from ASUS's end. So that's about it. I just wanted to give you this short introduction about the product. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Applause. सर कहाँ जा रहे हो ऐसे कैसे? सबसे बात करिए, आपसे नहीं करेंगे? ऐसे थोड़ी बचोगे. But what an amazing phone.
Thanks,
Applause for the Zenfone Live, yaar.
I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, thank you.
I'm so turned on after looking at this presentation कि मेरी मूंछें खड़ी हो गई.
मुझे तो है ही नहीं, से तो खड़ी होने का सवाल.
My software has turned into hardware. But thank you so much for the product presentation.
Sure. Thanks,
With the beautification live app feature, I'm sure कि नवाजुद्दीन भी रणबीर लगता होगा ना. And ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, इसके जो dual MEMS mic है, that is what is the epic thing.
Right.
And live streaming is the big or the biggest thing ever. मतलब it's bigger than Great Khali.
Correct.
Great Khali. उसको कैसे बोलता है, आपने सुना है उसको? But with this mic, अगर Great Khali live जाएगा तो समझ आएगा क्या कह रहे हैं. I am very sure वो बहुत clear होगा. So what was the thought behind getting these two special features? While everybody is stuck on selfies, you guys came up with live beautification. How did that occur?
See, at ASUS, we actually work on this concept of design thinking. It's an extremely consumer-centric approach. So what we do is that we actually, empathize. We actually observe what our consumers are doing, how their lifestyle and habits are changing. We empathize with them. We actually, kind of lead lives from their perspective and see, what they would actually require. We clearly saw this shift of consumers actually shifting from just, taking selfies to moving to videos. And also the ecosystem changes which are happening where all these social media platforms are actually enabling you to put up your live videos.
Yeah.
So with this design thinking, we created this ultimately a technology enabler, a smartphone, which could enable people to overcome the challenges that they are actually facing in going live and build in this amazing beautification technology, which is a combination of both great hardware and software, which is required for seamlessly going live.
Great, yaar. Well, people like me who look like Katappa can look like Bahubali actually with this app. So, सबसे पूछा, आपसे तो पूछना ही है. What is the worst thing that can go wrong if you're going live? We've seen enough, but what is something that has stuck into your head?
See, basically, I think going live is a wonderful experience. At the end of the day, even if things do go wrong, they will only add to more popularity of your videos.
How?
For example, I do remember one video myself of a news presenter, an international news presenter with an international broadcast company, actually presenting. And he was in the news and he was like, talking and giving some, obviously, feedback.
Yeah.
And what happened is that this guy was actually sitting in his home. The news was being live cast from his house. Suddenly the door opened and you see these small children crawling in and walking in into the room, Daddy, and he's like not aware that behind the door has opened and the children have
The
come.
girl also entered like as a, mera ghar hai.
Yes, exactly. You do remember that, right? So those kind of instances, add a lot of humor and those kind of things could go wrong. But otherwise, from a technology perspective, once you buy the ASUS Zenfone Live and use it, you're taken care of, that you will be at your best, you will sound at your best when you actually use Zenfone Live.
Why not? So, अगर कभी कुछ गलत होता भी है, तो it will only make you popular.
Sure.
And nothing else. Look in the case of Chand Nawab. वो जो पाकिस्तानी रहे, कराची में भाई सलमान की फिल्म में सीन आ गया. हमारे वीडियो, हमने एक बनारस का क्लिप किया था. Anybody has seen the Banaras being Indian clip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अरे बाकी नंबर मैंने मेक किए थे, सिर्फ 2 हाथ खड़े हुए थे. So there is this Firang girl. We are asking her, what is so special about India? She says everybody is equal. Dogs are on the road. Cow is on the road. And out of nowhere, a cow enters the frame. With full horn, मतलब ऐसा नहीं, वो कई cow का छोटा develop नहीं होता है. उसका एकदम इतना बड़ा गोल. ऐसे करके आया, and she parks her behind right in the corner of the frame. मैं कहा यार चमत्कार, भगवान महादेव की नगरी में खुद पधारे हैं. उसके बाद तो अलग ही सीन. Then she lifts her tail. और फिर जो गंगा बहनी शुरू होती है. I left the Goras. I was like, this is real India. गौमूत्र के लिए contact. So, that clip helped and rose the bar for us. But thank you so much.
Thanks, Sahil.
For coming here and talking to us. A
Thank
big
you
round
very
of applause
much.
for Mr. Dinesh. मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले मुंबई के रिएक्शंस दिखाए, लोगों को क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है, बट व्हाट इज अ प्रॉब्लम आउट अ सॉल्यूशन? We all work towards the solution, right? Let's look at the second part of the same video and see what this solution is all about.
What if I tell you that you can go live and look much better?
I would do it. Then I would do it, yeah.
So, पेश खिदमत है आपके हमारा नया। आपको मैं एक चीज दिखाता हूँ जो आपके संकट को फनकट में बदल देगा। You know what I mean? Subtle show of moment number 3033. Asus का Zenfone Live. Show me your phones. वहाँ से selfie. Come. Just click a picture. Video? हाँ, video. हाँ. Hello. Hello. तो गुजराती हेलो। इससे एक सेल्फी खींचना। ये त्रास है, जल्दी करना। अरे तुम भी आओ ना। अब मेरी बारी, कम हियर। ओके माय टर्न। ओके अब मेरी बारी। कोई नहीं। अब मैं करूंगा सटल शो ऑफ की माँ का। I'll show you. What is it?
It is a selfie time.
It's a video.
Hello.
Now tell me. Which one is better? Now tell me which one is better.
Oh wow, this is super cool. I like it. Your phone.
This is definitely better than mine.
That's what she said.
Blur and weird.
Okay, I'm gonna better it up. Look at this now. क्या फर्क है बताओ?
Voice clarity first of all and camera quality is superb.
है ना? I think अब मैं हर रोज आऊँगा Facebook Live.
क्योंकि ये फोन है तुम्हारे पास।
Oh, my voice doesn't sound that weird.
देखा? This is because this phone has dual mic. ऊपर भी नीचे भी।
Wow, that's nice. I can go live now. Like, it's like, which phone is this?
This is the Asus Zenfone Live. This phone has a beautification feature. All you have to do is click on it and figure out the levels. ये देखिए, ये रहा। आपको जितना भी skin tone soft करना है, sharp करना है, better looking करना है, you can set it there. Plus, obviously front flash है और ऊपर से यहाँ भी mic है, यहाँ भी mic है, और क्या चाहिए?
I won't deny it. It's better.
है ना? This is the Zenfone Live experience.
No wonder I'm actually looking that good. I don't
See,
think so.
this phone comes with the world's first Beauty Live technology. Plus, it has two mics, ऊपर और नीचे, तो sound के लिए subtitling की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You just got the Zenfone Live experience. This one. Why do you think it's better?
It's clear.
Flash. 2. Also, it has a built-in feature, which makes us look much better. People like you, me, him, we can look much better. This is the Zenfone Live experience you just had. Is your mind blowing already?
This is the solution. क्या बजा लो तालियां यार, मैं रोक थोड़ी रहा हूं। मैं कौन सा हाथ पकड़ लिया आप लोगों के? माइंड ब्लोइंग क्या टर्म है ना? आई वंडर व्हाट आइसिस थिंक्स अबाउट इट। मेरे को पता नहीं। I cannot wait to try this amazing phone and its features. Also, there is a very special contest for Asus social media fans, जिसमें आपको ये फोन मिल सकता है as a prize only if you participate. और ये कैसे मिलेगा? मैं क्यों बताऊं? मेरी ड्यूटी नहीं है, मेरा बैट मैं नहीं खेलता, मैं घर जा रहा हूं। बट उससे पहले लेट मी कॉल अपॉन स्टेज मिस्टर अरिंदम साहा, हेड मार्केटिंग सिस्टम बिजनेस ग्रुप, Asus India.
Thank you.
Applause.
Thank you guys for coming. Really appreciate the same. As Dinesh told that it's a long summer or maybe a hot summer, I will say. So really appreciate the same. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our Asus fans who follow our social media, including you all people. So here, we would like to thank them by starting a new contest, which is called Zenfone Live Antakshari Contest. So it's very easy. So we want actually people to relive all the childhood memories, because I think each one of here, present here, has, or some of the other time has played Antakshari, right? Isn't it? Yes. So we want the end users also, or the fans also, to do the same. So it's very simple. Starting from tomorrow till the 30th, for these 5 days, we will have a GIF running in our all social media pages. The end user or the fans has to go there, just click on it, and one alphabet will come. So the alphabet you need to sing, go live, sing, and tag 3 of the friends so that Antakshari will be carrying on. And also you have to use our hashtag, which is go live beautifully. So this is there, and the reward is like there will be 10 phones for giveaway. Plus there will be accessories from us, many accessories including Lorry Flash, and also Flipkart vouchers. So this is just to make tribute to all the fans, because we feel that they regularly follow us. We have also a social media team dedicatedly, which help the fans to answer their questions. So this is really a tribute to them. So hope the Zenfone Live will help the fans to get their live experience beautifully. So thank you all for coming once again. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you so much. See, it's that easy. Sing a song and win a Zenfone Live. मतलब आपके फेवरेट सिंगर का भी गाना हो सकता है, रैपर का भी गाना हो सकता है. सबसे ज्यादा गाने दिल्ली में किसके चलते हैं? बादशाह. क्या रैपर है ना, मतलब क्या हो गया यार, नाम है उसका But Badshah in Bollywood is Shah Rukh Khan. है ना? Badshah in rappers is Aditya Singh Sisodia. ये उसका असली नाम है, Aditya Singh Sisodia. Doesn't it like sound like a medical condition? Oh, भाई इसने तो सिसोड़िया. क्या हो रहा? उसका नया गाना सुने बादशाह का, मर्सी, have mercy on me. मैं मर गया था सुन के. मेरे को लगा मैं इस पे गाना बनाऊंगा बरसी, कबर पे खड़े होके गाऊंगा योर बरसी ऑन मी. मैं खर्चा दूंगा, भाई देगा. बट या जोक्स असाइड, मेरे को 5 गाने आते हैं और 5 के 5 फोन में आपसे लेके जाऊंगा पूरे के पूरे. ठीक है, जिसको जितने गाने आते हैं प्लीज धड़ल्ले से पार्टिसिपेट करना और आगे बढ़ाना इस अंताक्षरी को, एंड हैशटैग गो लाइव. सो जब गाड़ी खरीदते हैं सबसे पहला सवाल क्या आता है मन में? एग्जैक्टली ये देखो मारवाड़ी डिस्काउंट के तौर. सो राइट नाउ it's time to reveal the price. जेब कितनी कटेगी? अब देखिए, हमें तो पता नहीं है प्राइस कितने हैं, but let me welcome back on stage Mr. Dinesh to announce the most important feature of the phone, price.
So friends, for the great technology that we are going to be offering to you, which we are actually giving to you through Zenfone Live, which actually enables you to go live beautifully, okay, along with sound well as well. The most important aspect is now the price. So we are launching this phone at a super attractive price.
Before the price, the product video.
Okay, fine. So let us actually, see the product video first. So great. So it's all been captured again on the video. You could see all the product features, the great technology that we bring to you. And now is the time for the price unveil. So we bring this all to you at a very exciting price of only rupees 9,999. So now can we actually see the product itself, right? Which is the next most important thing, the real product. So let's unveil the product, please. I think we move to the left again.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you so much. आप यहाँ पे आए इतनी दिल्ली की गर्मी में. हमारा लाइव डेमोस्ट्रेशन एरिया एकदम खुला है. जाके सुमड़ी में कुमड़ी हुई है. अपने फेसबुक, अपने ट्विटर, अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट से लाइव जाइए. डोंट वरी, हम आपका अकाउंट हैक नहीं करेंगे. आपकी सारी डिटेल्स प्रोटेक्टेड है. दिस इज साहिल खट्टर साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर टुडे. आराम से खाना खुना खाइए, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. थैंक यू.